Congratulations! You got married. You had a perfect day. You found a pretty little cottage in the countryside with plenty of room for the dog to run around. You had some really cold winters. You had some roasting summers and lots of gatherings, parties. Not to forget the anniversaries.
You forgot again?
And then the best thing of all, you had a beautiful baby girl. And a few years later, a bouncing baby boy arrived. And to keep them both safe, you bought a smoke alarm. But as time went on, the battery slowly died. You said you were going to change it, but something always happened to stop you. The doorbell went. You just wanted to catch up on your favourite TV show. The dog chewed your slippers. Or sometimes you were just too tired, because children can be tiring, can't they? Well, you don't need to worry about them anymore.